Welcome to Redline Review, Hyper Luxury Performance RV, 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome. The Lamborghini Motorhome, a supercar-inspired mobile palace, defies expectations in 2026. This motorhome is a revolution, combining the Italian brand's iconic style with cutting-edge innovation and opulence. Supersized Lamborghini exterior, Aventador and Revuelto-inspired wedge-shaped body, Y-shaped LED headlight signature and hexagonal accents, retractable carbon fiber side extensions for added width when parked, active aerodynamic elements for stability and cooling, massive 24-inch forged wheels with center lock hubs, carbon fiber reinforced composite panels. The motorhome is low, wide, and dramatic to stand out. Four-wheel hybrid Fury, V8 twin-turbo plug-in, hybrid system, combined power output, 800+ horsepower, all-wheel drive with torque vectoring, performance mode selector, Strada, Sport, Corsa, off-road. Battery range, approximately 60 miles, pure electric, extended via hybrid V8, 0 to 60 miles per hour, approximately 4.8 seconds, blistering for a motorhome. Top speed, electronically limited to 125 miles per hour. This Lamborghini brings real performance and drama to luxury touring, not simply speed. Italian excess meets digital intelligence. Main cabin, custom interior by Lamborghini ad personam, hexagonal stitched Alcantara and leather seating, 77-inch 8K OLED screen with immersive sound system, electrochromic panoramic roof with starlight ceiling option, digital cockpit control with Centro style UI, carbon fiber cabinetry, smart galley with induction burners, oven, and espresso station. Folding den. The bedroom features a queen-size floating bed with magnetic ride suspension, LED mood lighting in Lamborghini's characteristic Y design, and custom wardrobe with push-touch panels and lighted compartments. Bathroom features include a marble effect shower with a hexagonal rain head, a Lamborghini embossed glass sink and smart mirror, motion-sensing ambient lighting, and an autonomous scent system. Includes AI-driven assistant Lambo Link, autonomous driving level 3 with manual override, 360-degree cameras and thermal vision, voice and gesture control for lighting, sound, and vehicle operations, solar roof with 200 kilowatt-hour backup battery and high-efficiency panels, smart trailer mode for Lamborghini, Huracan or Revuelto, towing for whom? The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is for hypercar owners, celebrities, and high-net-worth adventurers who want to travel without leaving their luxury lifestyle. The road-going equal of a private jet and track car. One last thought. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is a mobile supercar that combines speed, luxury, and design into a new category, the Hyper RV. Who says you can't take the track with you? It's loud, fast, and Lamborghini.